Hi and welcome to another instrument choice support video. In this video we'll show you what comes in the box with the Horiba LAQUAtwin compact salt meter, the Salt11. The Salt11 is a compact, portable meter designed to measure sodium ions in order to calculate salt concentration. The meter utilises a flat sensor which allows for direct measurement of a sample as small as 0.3 mils. The meter is straightforward to use and features automatic buffer recognition, automatic range adjustment, temperature compensation, auto hold, and is IP67 rated. In the box there's some paperwork, including a before use instruction manual and an operation manual, a plastic pipette, 2 CR2032 coin cell batteries, conditioning solution, 2 standard buffer solutions, these are 5% and 0.5%, and the salt meter. This features a large LCD, 3 buttons, these are measure, power and calibration. Under the protective cover is the flat sensor. The sensor unit is replaceable in the event of accidental damage. And a clip on the back connecting the sensor to the display unit. To get started, insert the 2 included batteries. To do so, flip the meter over, lift the sensor tongue tip and slide the sensor away from the meter. Insert the batteries, observing the polarity, and put the meter back together, ensuring the meter has correctly clipped into place. Turning the meter on shows the extra clear screen with the measured reading in easy to read digits, the current measurement mode on the top, and the stability indicator. This is the smiley face on the screen. You can see pressing cal changes the mode, and pressing measure changes the display unit between salt percentage to the measured temperature. For more information on this meter, including a video of how to calibrate this meter, as well as details on how you can contact an instrument choice scientist about this meter, see the links in the video description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.